There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your fish bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it back. In the deep, you have my heart inside. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of
Ano nga pala section nyo? Ako, Torboy. Hindi ko pa alam yung akin eh. Hindi mo pa nakikita. Line time ako. Line time? Oo naman. Ako pa. Ang kalit eh. Alalit. O sige, tayo magkikita kita tuwing lunch siya. O sige ba, sa kapag vacant subject nyo. Mamaya tayo naman. Tagal naman yan? Oo nga eh, baka may ginagawa. Gawin natin natin yung television. May project na ba kayo? Ano na ako? Wala pa. Ito, ipaserap nyo. Sige, wala na. May report kayo sa Pilipino. Pero naman, wala rin eh. Sige. Alis mo na ako kasi may gagawin pa ako eh. Sige. Okay na. Sige. Ano yung gagawin yung report ako? Ay, putan nyo ko.
Isali ko.